Want to learn how to draw a cute little jellyfish? Grab a pencil and paper and follow along. We're starting right now. Hey there! Welcome and thank you so much for drawing this little jellyfish with me. We're starting with this kind of blob shape for her head, sort of like a circle with the bottom squished in, and then we'll go in and add 2 big circles for the eyes. Near the bottom of each eye, we'll put a curved line to make a space where we'll add color later on. Then we'll add 2 little ovals in each eye, one larger and one smaller, for the highlights, to give her eyes a nice shiny look. Then we'll add 5 little lines at the bottom, some eyebrows and some eyelashes, and a little curved line for the mouth. Under the main body blob, we'll add that wavy line to be the frills at the bottom of her body. Time to add some tentacles. For each one, we'll draw a long wavy line that spirals in at the bottom. Then draw a second wavy line that meets up with that spiral at the bottom. We'll add 7 or 8 of these tentacles, with the long ones being in the middle of the jellyfish and the short ones being toward the outside. I know we're moving along really quickly here, so when you need to, just pause the video to catch up. When you get to 2 tentacles that overlap each other, don't forget to skip over the first one so that it looks like the second one is in behind. Like right here and here. Now we'll add the oral arms. This is the part of the jellyfish that stings. We'll start with one long curvy line and then make a scalloped edge all the way around it. We'll add 3 of these all together, and again, don't forget to skip the parts that go behind the other tentacles. I added some dots along that frilly edge. To finish your drawing off, it's a great idea to go over your pencil lines with a black marker to make it pop out. You can also add some color, some highlights and shadows, and any little details like spots to give her some character. Our jellyfish is all done, but don't put your pencil away just yet. Up next, we're drawing a blue whale. Click the video on your screen to follow along with me over there. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!